Okay, I'm going to start. These are just the defaults, and my env file looks like this. It's just that. Now in Windows with a TI or RTX 2080 Ti, you can see that here. My performance, my GPU, and RTX. Oh, RTX 2080 Ti. Um, with the default Docker Compose using my Copilot license. You just have to log in once for that. But this is actually loading up the server right now. Once this is hot, then I'll actually be able to refresh this. This is where it stopped while I stopped the indexing. It was in the middle of indexing this folder and it had queued this one. But actually, let me actually bring down the server and I will set up. I had actually set it up in here, indexing max threads. So let's do it in AMD 64, and max thread set that to 2. I'm going to save that, and then we're not going to do that. We're going to leave that at 1, and then we're going to go into our env file, and we're just going to set that here, our threads, to 2, so that we index both of them at the same time. And make sure we're down. And it'll go ahead and start again. But there is. Get back to our code intelligence here. This is the built-in documentation for Mimir. And then this is a friend's project that I wanted to figure out. And so there should be some embeddings there, but it's going to rerun them because time and stuff passes and files get updated. So we're going to, hey, we already started. So then now we're going to close our code intelligence, and then we're gonna command palette back up. Here we go, and you can see them in real time being indexed or skipped, and actually in 2 threads. So this one's actually currently indexing, and you'll see that this one completed. See, it was real fast because it was just an update. It was just checking those files. So that one's done, and then this one, you should see that flip to 204 here in a little bit. Well, there you go. There's that one, authentication touchpoint. So uh, this is the plugin. There are other things such as the Workflow Studio here, where you can generate and drag and drop agents. You can also open the node manager. You can see all the different memories and whatever different concepts and whatever else you decide to put in here, various preambles, orchestration plans as well. You can see all the individual details about them. This you can vector search. You can test the vector search controls as well, different types, and then max search results and minimum similarities and stuff like that. So yeah, feel free to play around with it.